Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm doing an air fryer challenge and I'm using my Ninja Foodi, my Philips air fryer XXL, and my Cook's Essential air fryer. So I'm making some air fryer chicken wings and I just wanted to see which air fryer performed the best. Alright, so let's get started. If you've seen me make air fryer chicken wings before, you know I like to brush my wings with some yellow mustard, top them with some hot sauce, some seasoned salt, some granulated garlic and granulated onion, a little cayenne pepper, some thyme, and then finally some slap your mama. I did that on both sides. Once the chicken wings were seasoned, I placed them in a Ziploc bag and I added in some buttermilk. I made sure that they were thoroughly coated and I let it marinate in the fridge overnight. So now it's the next day and it's time to fry up these wings. So I've got my batter pro and I like to use this when I am breading chicken or fish. So I'm placing the wings in my batter pro and I'm using some Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on top and then I'm going to close my batter pro. Let me give it a shake, give it a flip, give it a flip, give it a shake. And when I opened the lid, it was still a little wet, so I added some more flour and I gave it another shake, another flip, another shake, and this time they were all evenly coated. So I transferred the wings to a wire rack while I finished breading the rest of the chicken. And once all the chicken was breaded, it was time to cook them up. So this is the air fryer basket to my 8-quart Ninja Foodi. It has a rack. You can cook in double layers, but I find this to be kind of an inconvenience when you're working with breaded chicken wings. So I rather just cook in a single layer. It's just a little bit easier, but you are more than welcome to cook in a double layer and just make sure you rotate your wings. So I was able to fit 5 whole wings inside the air fryer basket. I sprayed it with some olive oil. I hit air crisp. I set it to 400 degrees and cook time of 20 minutes. After about 15 minutes, I turned over the chicken wings and I sprayed the other side with a little bit of olive oil. And here is what they sounded like while they cooked. These are the finished Ninja Foodi wings. And up next is the Philips Air Fryer XXL. I put 6 wings in here. I could have put in more, but 6 was fine. So this does have a larger capacity than the Ninja. 400 degrees, 20 minutes. This is what the wings look like when they were done cooking. And then finally, the Cook's Essential. This has the largest capacity of all 3. 400 degrees, 20 minutes, and here's what they look like. So this is all of the chicken wings plated up. As you can see, they were all beautiful. All the air fryers performed really well. Nice color and very crispy. So I'm going to go ahead and bite into one so you can hear how crispy it is. I served up these crispy chicken wings with some yummy sweet potato waffles, and I will have a video up for that later, so stay tuned. So the Ninja performed well. All in all, I think it did great. The Philips, I actually preferred how the wings looked in that better. And then the Cook's Essential has the largest capacity. But at the end of the day, they all performed very well. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that red button and tap that bell so you're notified of my next upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye. Oh, wait, don't leave yet. Go ahead and watch the next video. All right, see you soon. Bye.